Looking for a blender that combines power, portability, and convenience? The Ninja BC151CR Blast Portable Blender is the ultimate solution for making smooth, delicious drinks anywhere you go. Whether you're whipping up a protein shake at the gym, blending a smoothie for breakfast, or preparing a quick snack, this blender has got you covered. With its powerful blending capabilities, sleek design, and easy-to-use features, the Ninja Blast Blender makes it easier than ever to enjoy your favorite blends on the go. Ready to blend and sip with style? Let's dive into why this portable blender is a must-have. Here are 5 powerful reasons to buy the Ninja BC151CR Blast Portable Blender. 1. Blending power anywhere. With Ninja's Blast technology, this blender easily crushes through ice and frozen ingredients, ensuring perfectly smooth shakes, smoothies, and other blends wherever you are, whether at home, the gym, or on the go. You can count on consistent results, no matter where you take it. Point 2. Large 18-ounce capacity. This portable blender has a generous 18-ounce vessel, allowing you to make larger servings of your favorite drinks. Whether you're making a protein shake or a fruit smoothie, you'll have plenty of room to blend your ingredients without constantly refilling. Point 3. Convenient and stylish. Designed for your lifestyle, this blender comes with a hinged carry handle for easy portability and an easy open sip lid, so you can blend and drink straight from the same vessel. Plus, it's available in a sleek cranberry red, making it as stylish as it is functional. Point 4. Effortless cleaning. After your blend, the BPA-free lid and vessel are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you're in a rush, you can even self-clean by blending water and a drop of dish soap for 30 seconds, saving you time and effort. Point 5. Cordless and rechargeable. Say goodbye to tangled cords. The 7.4V rechargeable power base runs without a cord, giving you the freedom to blend anywhere. It's USB-C compatible for quick recharging, so you're always ready for your next smoothie or shake. This blender combines convenience, performance, and style, all in one compact, portable package. Perfect for anyone who loves fresh drinks on the go.